Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Mailchimp. This is a crucial skill when you're designing email campaigns and need to ensure your images fit perfectly within your layout without looking stretched or pixelated. First, head over to the Mailchimp website by typing mailchimp.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your campaign tools. From your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all your email campaigns live, both past and present. Now you'll want to create a new campaign, so click on Create Campaign. A drop-down will appear with several options. Select Email, and then choose Regular. This sets you up with a standard email campaign that you can fully customize. You'll be prompted to enter a campaign name. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify this campaign later. After typing in your name, click Begin to move forward into the email builder. This is where the magic happens and where you'll have full control over your email's design. In the email builder, you'll see various content blocks you can drag and drop into your layout. Locate the image content block and drag it to wherever you want the image to appear in your email. If you already have an image block in place, simply click on it instead. This action will activate the image editing options. Now click on Add Image if you're working with a new block, or Replace if you're swapping out an existing image. A file selection window will appear. Choose Upload from Computer or Browse depending on what you see. Navigate to the image file you want to use, select it, and click Open or Upload. Your image will now be added to the email block. With your image uploaded, click the Edit button on the image. This opens Mailchimp's built-in photo editor, which gives you powerful tools to adjust your image without leaving the platform. Look for the Crop and Resize section within the editor. Here, select Custom to give you manual control over the dimensions. Make sure to check the Lock Dimensions box. This ensures your image maintains its aspect ratio as you resize it, preventing any distortion. Now enter your desired width or height in pixels. For example, if you type 600 into the width field, the height will automatically adjust proportionally. Once you're satisfied with the new dimensions, click Save in the editor to apply your changes. Then click Save and Close in the block to finalize everything. Your resized image is now perfectly fitted into your Mailchimp email campaign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.